expensive. Sparkle 6 is... Oh, dude. That one was my favorite for a while. That and 3.
Just arguing with me, bro. Like, shut up. Please. Elif?
DMs? What about it? What is that? What am I hearing?
What?
No way. That's so valid. I have Ghost. Yeah, here, add Ghost, and I will do... I'm going to give you a little bit of an upgrade. Let's see what I can do. Oh, my eye itches. Okay.
Oh.
Did you hear that? Oh my god.